One of the most desirable attributes that an organization can aspire for is an absence of conflict and a happy state of mind for its employees. Though there are many ways to achieve this, transactional analysis is one of the most preferred and comprehensive method for the same. Transactional analysis, which was first explained by Eric Berne, consists of three ego structural states: the parent state, the adult state, and child state. It explains the transaction between the three and focuses on the proper management of the same. There are two kinds of transactional analysis: complementary and cross transaction. Complementary transaction occurs when during the transaction both the participants accept the ego state assigned to them, while cross transaction occurs when during the transaction one of the participants refuses the ego state assigned. In an organization, complementary analysis is always desired over cross transaction.
Hi ma'am, just one thing. I want to go on a leave for a week.
Sorry Raman, you can't go as we are already short of man-hours for the quarter.
But ma'am, it's really urgent. Have to go. It's been 8 months since I visited home.
How is it even possible for me to grant you a leave? Just stop making excuses and concentrate on your work and complete the report.
In this transaction, we find the employee in adult ego state, and the employee expects adult ego state from his manager as well. However, the manager refuses to adhere to the adult ego state and assigns herself to the parent ego state. This results in cross transaction, which leads to clashes in the organization. The situation can be corrected through switching ego state. In the upcoming transaction, we'll find that the manager, by switching his ego state, accepts the adult ego state assigned to him and responds accordingly, leading to complementary transaction.
Hi ma'am, just one thing. I want to go on a leave for a week.
Sorry Raman, you can't go as we are already short of man-hours for the quarter.
But ma'am, it's really urgent. Have to go. It's been 8 months since I visited home.
I understand your point, but we have man-hours obligation for quarter. I'll ask the supervisor and let you know whatever can be done.
Transactional analysis can also help in interpersonal management of people. There are three spheres under which people can be grouped: the I am okay, you're okay sphere, I am not okay, you are okay sphere, and I am okay, you are not okay sphere. A knowledge of transactional analysis can help manage each of these situations effectively, as can be seen from the upcoming transactions.
You are much more lucky than I am. I spend so much time in the office that I don't have any time for the family. I don't think I owe this much to work.
I know things are difficult, but sometimes we have to accept cheerfully those things that we can't change.
This is an example of I am not okay, you are okay transaction where employee 1 has a child ego state. The employee 2, with his knowledge of transactional analysis, can recognize the ego state and adapt himself to the nurturing parent.
Your way of walking is too non-confrontational. You say yes too often, and this is not a quality which is required from you.
I'm sorry ma'am, but this is something I do to avoid conflict. However, I'll try to be a bit more assertive in the workplace.
This is an example of I am okay, you are not okay situation where the boss is being a critical parent and the employee adapts to it by accepting the child ego state.
The ideas that you have contributed for the project are good, but it needs polishing. Would you prefer doing it yourself or do you require assistance?
Since this is the first time I am venturing on a project of this proportion, assistance would be desirable.
Transaction is an example of I'm okay, you are okay kind of interaction, where adult interaction has taken place. Knowledge of transaction analysis helps in recognition of such situations. Transactional analysis is an important tool in organization and individual interpersonal relation. Since the greatest resource that an organization has is its workplace, it must be taken into consideration that there is no conflict between the workers. Transactional analysis hence helps ensuring that there is a minimization of communication gaps and contributes in the smooth working of the organization.